Hey fan collectors, welcome back. We got another video here. What I have here today is a 1996 Hampton Bay Gazebo in Verde. Got this fan from Habitat as well, not too long ago. This fan I believe was used inside because it is in really good shape. But yeah, got the nice fake wood grain blades here. Tag, if you guys can read that. Yeah, 2 pull chains, one's reverse and one's speeds. But yeah, not really much to see on this, but yeah. Anyway, I will now demonstrate the fan. Here's low. I like how this fan looks. Does pretty good Hampton Bay for its time that it was made in. Back when they actually cared about their quality and not quantity. Because every Hampton Bay that you can buy nowadays from the store is all cheap junk. But this older one still runs pretty good. Alright, go up to medium now. That blind is gonna start moving a shit ton. Feeling a good breeze from it right now. Nothing too strong or anything. And high speed. Does hum a little bit, but that's to be expected from a Hampton Bay. This thing absolutely flies though. Honestly, it's stronger than the Hunter Sea Air in terms of speed. Alright, do a close-up of it now. Definitely a good performer. I always like these older gazebos. This isn't a Gazebo 1, by the way. This is just called a Gazebo. Nice, good breeze from it. Alright, now we will do spin down. Alright, so the fan has come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.